Greetings. We are decoders and this is our solution, Krypton. Here is our elaborately made README file which has everything about our project, from the way it is made, the technologies used, the challenges that we faced, and how you can run our project locally on your device. Now let's go and see the landing page itself. As you enter the landing page, you are greeted with the aesthetically made landing page which was designed from scratch on Adobe XD. Here in our services, we portray some of our services such as personal money management, financial knowledge, stock overview, financial news, investment radar, which will be elaborated once we log in. Here is the About Us section, and below that we also have our Contact Us section, and then we have the footer. Now let's go and log in so that we can see the login and the register pages that we have made. Once we log in, we are asked to enter a username of our choice. We can add an email ID and a password which would be later used to authenticate us back whenever we use the website, as this data would be stored on the Firebase server. As we sign in, we are taken to the login page where we have to enter our credentials once again. Once we have done that, as we log in, we are greeted with a dashboard. The dashboard has everything that you need financially speaking. Your balance, your transactions, we have monetary news as well as a stock of your choice on the dashboard. Coming back to that later, let's go and see what do we have in the e-wallet. The e-wallet has your balance, you can add a transaction, you can see your transactions, and you can see your income and expenses. For example, if I want to add my salary and I type in salary, and I can choose an amount, say for example 50,000 rupees, and I click on add transaction, it will show that it has updated my balance. Now if I spend my money somewhere, for example say Zomato, and I spend around 450 rupees, so that would be written as minus 450, and I add the transaction, so my balance is updated, my expenses are updated, and it is shown on the transaction history. Let's go for Stock Insight. Stock Insight has the chart made from chart.js, and the information is being pulled in real time by using an API from AlphaVantage. As we change the abbreviations for the stock, we can search for different stocks and the chart will dynamically change itself so that we can understand what is the trend that is going on. There are a few pre-selected stocks which makes it easier for the user to navigate through. Now for the news. For the news, we have used an API from Postman which pulls in the news from all over India under the category of finance. This is really important so that people are financially aware about what is happening in the nation. Once we are back, we can go into the blog section where we have written a few blogs so that the users can read, which is necessary. Then we can see that the whole of the dashboard is really interesting, as it makes it easier for the user to see everything in just one glance. Now let's log out and see how the web app performs when it is in a mobile device. So we click on inspect, and here we can see that the page is completely responsive as it was made from the very scratch. We can log in, and once we log in, we can see that the dashboard also is completely responsive. In the dashboard, obviously we have our transactions, the history, your balance, the headlines, which is scrollable in nature, and obviously the stock of our choice. The same is with the e-wallet. Everything would be completely perfectly balanced along with Stock Insight. The same would be with news. And the same can be said for our blogs as well. This is our solution. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.